everyone, welcome back to my mini vlog. Today I want to review this Gundam or this robot. Look at that guys, it's so big and just the legs, the robot. And we have animals. No, mana ini? Oh, it's animals and it's pretty human. Oh my god. I don't know the name of this robot, but this is so big, guys. Say hello, Kak. Hello. Animal saying hello. Oh, look at that, guys. I'm pretty sure he is animal and she is pretty human. And we have sambals and this cabbage and celery and donkey and it's soto and this rice and it's me. Okay, bye bye guys. I think it's enough and see you in my next video. Bye.